Verily News Program.
Do you know that 75% of business owners don't even know about the funding program their government offers? Right now, there are thousands of grants sitting unclaimed, low-interest loans with your name on them, and free tools that could transform your business overnight. Here's the truth that nobody talks about. While you are struggling to scrap together capital, your competitors are accessing government grants and international funding. The difference, they know where to look. Let's start with grants. Free money you never have to pay back. And no, I'm not talking about those fake WhatsApp messages promising millions from foreign princes. Number one, we have the Bank of Industry MSME funds. The Bank of Industry has something called the MSME Development Fund, and it's sitting there with billions of naira specifically for small businesses. We are talking about grants up to millions for manufacturing, agriculture, and technology businesses. Number two, we have the Nassau Microfinance Bank. The Nigerian incentive-based risk-sharing system. They are not just giving out money, they are practically begging qualified businesses to take it. They have agricultural-focused grants, youth entrepreneurship funds, and something called the Anchor Borrowers Program that can provide everything from seeds to equipment, plus guaranteed market access. Number three, we have the Tony Elumelu Foundation. The Tony Elumelu Foundation every year gives 1,000 African entrepreneurs $5,000 each, plus mentorship and training. The application is online, it's free, and the success rate is higher than you think because most people assume they won't qualify. 4. We have the state government programs. There are state-level programs through which business owners can access loans. Lagos State has the Employment Trust Funds with loans up to 25 million naira at 6% interest. Rivers State has the Rivers State Sustainable Development Agency, which is giving grants to tech startups. Even smaller states like Ekiti have entrepreneur-friendly programs that most business owners have never heard of. Now let's talk about loans that don't require a house as collateral. Number one, we have the Central Bank of Nigeria Intervention Funds. The Central Bank has multiple intervention funds with single-digit interest rates. The Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise Development Fund offers loans at 9% per annum, compared to that of commercial banks that charge 25 to 30%. And you understand why this is a game changer. Number two, we have the Development Bank of Nigeria. The Development Bank of Nigeria works through partner financial institutions to provide long-term financing at incredibly favorable rates. They focus on manufacturing, agriculture, and solid mineral sectors with loan term up to 15 years. Number three, we have cooperative societies and credit unions. This is an old-school approach that is making a comeback. Join the right professional cooperative and you can access loans at 12 to 15% interest with minimal paperwork. Medical practitioners, teachers, civil servants, every profession have cooperatives, and their lending term often beats that of commercial banks. 4. We have digital lending platforms. Digital lending platforms like OPay aren't just for quick cash. They are building business lending products with artificial intelligence that can approve loans in minutes based on your transaction history and not your collateral. Now let's talk about tools that can transform your business without breaking the bank. Google Workspace for non-profit and small business. Google offers its entire work suite like Gmail, Drive, Google Documents, and Sheets with professional email address for small business at incredibly low rates. But here is the secret. If you qualify as a non-profit, it's completely free. 2. Free government business registration tools. The Corporate Affairs Commission now has an online business registration that takes just days instead of months. Plus, they've introduced the Business Facilitation Act that makes it easier and cheaper to start a business in Nigeria. Then we have the digital payment solution. Payment processors like Paystack, Flutterwave, and InterSwitch offer free business accounts with features that used to cost thousands of naira monthly, automated invoicing, payment tracking, and customer management, all free for small business. Now, before I finish, let me warn you about scams masquerading as legitimate funding opportunities. If someone guarantees approval before you apply, demand upfront fees, or promise unrealistic amounts with no requirements, run away. Legitimate funding source never guarantees approval, and they never charge application fees. Always verify funding opportunities through official government websites, established financial institutions, or reputable business organizations. You can also check with Corporate Affairs Commission or relevant regulatory bodies. Look, the funding landscape in Nigeria has changed drastically in the past years. The difference between struggling entrepreneurs and successful ones isn't always about the quality of their ideas. It's their knowledge of available resources and their skills in accessing them. If this video opened your eyes to opportunities you didn't know existed, smash the like button. Share it with another entrepreneur who you think needs to see it. I am Victoria Ogbado. Bye for now.